Need to access the Windows 10 recovery environment but Windows won't boot? If you've got a recovery drive or Windows 10 installation media, here's the fastest way to get in. Hi everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. First, let's clarify something important. If your computer cannot boot into Windows normally, the easiest way to access the advanced recovery options is by using either a USB recovery drive or Windows 10 installation media. If you don't already have one, here's what you'll need. A USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, 16 GB recommended. A computer running Windows 10. You can create either option in just a few minutes. Method 1. Using a recovery drive. First, let's use a recovery drive. In another video link in the description below, I walk you through the complete step-by-step process of creating a USB recovery drive. Here, I'll give you a quick overview so we can stay focused on accessing recovery mode. Connect your USB drive to an available USB port. Open the Start menu, type Recovery Drive, then select Recovery Drive or create a recovery drive from the search results. In the window that opens, if your goal is only access the recovery environment on another system, uncheck Backup System Files to the recovery drive. Click Next. At this stage, Windows prepares the recovery files and checks the USB drive. Select the correct drive and click Next. Important, all that on the USB drive will be erased. Click Create to begin the process. This may take several minutes or considerably longer if backup system files to the recovery drive is selected. Once the process is complete, click Finish. Safely eject the USB drive using the Safely Remove Hardware icon in the taskbar. Now, completely power off the affected PC and insert the USB recovery drive. Before turning it on, make sure you know which key opens the boot menu on that specific system. Common boot menu keys include F12, F8, F9, F2, Escape, and Delete. The exact key depends on your motherboard or laptop manufacturer. If you're not sure which key opens the boot menu, you can search online or even ask an AI tool for help. For example, boot menu key for Asus H670 motherboard. Another example, boot menu key for HP 15 series laptop. Now turn on the PC and immediately press the boot menu key repeatedly. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. If the system skips the USB drive and loads Windows instead, you may need to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings and change the boot order. Once the USB boots successfully, you'll see the Windows recovery environment or WinRE. Select your keyboard layout. Select Troubleshoot. From here, you can access Startup Repair, Command Prompt, Uninstall Updates, System Restore, and System Image Recovery. The Recover from a Drive option typically appears when the recovery drive was created with system files included and is used on the same computer it was created on. Even if Windows is completely unbootable, this method provides full access to recovery tools. This works even if the internal recovery partition is missing or corrupted. Method 2. Using Windows 10 installation media. Now, let's use Windows 10 installation media. If you don't already have one, I'll briefly show you how to create it. Connect your USB drive to an available USB port. Open your browser and go to the official Windows 10 download page. The link is provided in the description below. Scroll down to the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section and click Download Now. After the file downloads, run it. Click Accept. Choose the Create Installation Media option, then click Next. At this stage, the options are configured based on the system running the media creation tool. If the selected architecture does not match the target computer, uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC, then manually choose the correct architecture to ensure compatibility. Choose the USB flash drive option and click Next. Select the correct drive. Important, all data on the USB drive will be erased. Click Next to continue. Wait while the required files are downloaded and the Windows 10 installation media is created. This process may take several minutes depending on your system performance, internet speed, and the speed of your USB drive. Once the process is complete, click Finish. Safely eject the USB drive using the Safely Remove Hardware icon in the taskbar. Now, completely power off the affected PC and insert your Windows 10 installation USB. Turn on the computer and immediately press the boot menu key. Press it repeatedly for reliability. From the boot menu key, select your USB drive. Once the USB boots successfully, you'll see the Windows setup screen. Choose your language, time format, and keyboard layout, then click Next. On the next screen, choose Repair your computer. This gives you access to recovery options instead of installing Windows. Select Troubleshoot. You are now in the Windows recovery environment. These are just two quick ways, but there are other ways too. Click or tap the video on the end screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.